So this is a replacement seat for a John Deere 5200 and 5300 riding tractor. Let's take a look at a few of the features. This seat is constructed of a thick vinyl over foam. It has an arched seat with a mid-rise back. Let's flip over to the bottom and take a look at the bolt pattern. So as you can see from the bottom here, we have a hard HDPE construction with a location for your seat sensor. You can pop that out, put a new one in, and then there's 4 bolt patterns. As this is sort of a universal seat, we have 4 different patterns, and I'll give you those measurements in a second. The first and widest spread of the bolt pattern is these large ones on the outside. They have a center to center of 8 1/8. The second set I'm looking at is right here around the sensor, and those have a measurement of 5 1/4. Center to center. The last one is this set right here. These have a spacing of 5 1/2. 5 1/2 inches center to center. If you're looking for a replacement seat for your tractor or your lawnmower or any other parts, go to zbox.com. We have great prices. We have an easy checkout. Our delivery is very quick with options if you need it even faster. If you need any help, call our customer service. We'd be happy to help. I'll put the link in the description below for the seat as well as all the fitment that this seat would go to, any of the machines. Thank you and have a wonderful day.